Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are well and doing study at home. So student, today date is 31st 7 2020, chapter 10, and today student, take out your rough copy and one pencil so that you can note down the important points. And if you have any doubt, then in your doubt session you can ask your doubt with me. Is it clear? So student, before explaining the today topic, student, let recapitulate what we have done in our, what I have teach you in my previous video. So in my previous video student, I am discussing what, how we can say that a house is good. What are the factors due to which we can say that the house is good. So student, whether the house is big or small, it doesn't matter, but if it fulfill some of the factors which are given, that is very necessary at the time of building the house, that makes your house good, that are ventilation. Is it clear? So student, a good house should have a plenty of windows and door so that the fresh air enter inside your house. Is it clear? Good ventilation. Now see student, today we will discuss some of the important factors. By following that factors, we can say that the house is good. Okay, so first is ventilation. So what is ventilation? We can say that student, a good house is one that has good ventilation. And how this ventilation is possible? If the house have plenty of विंडोज एंड डोर, अगर हाउस में विंडोज होंगी और डोर होंगे, प्लेंटी ऑफ ज्यादा विंडो होंगी, जिससे कि फ्रेश एयर आपके घर में इंटर कर सके, इवन द सनलाइट इंटर इनसाइड देयर हाउस, बिकॉज सनलाइट आल्सो किल द जर्म्स. These are very small particles which we are unable to see with our eyes. Okay, so student, this at the time when we are building the house, this is the most important factor that we should always keep in mind, that there should be a good ventilation for the air so that the fresh air come inside your house. Is it clear? So, and there should be a plenty of light, that is sunlight, also inside your house. Is it clear? So student, this we discuss safety. Now how the house save us? The house save us from harsh climate condition. It save us from the heat of the sunlight. It save us from rain. It save us from cold. Is it clear? Even a house save us you from the thieves also, wild animals also. So a good house is what? Safety is a very important. Okay, and see, a good house must have strong walls and roof. Okay, a good house must have strong wall and roof. जो घर का छत होता है ना, उसको बेटा हम रूफ बोलते हैं. ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया. घर ऐसा होना चाहिए जिसकी वॉल्स जो हैं, दीवारें स्ट्रांग हो, और द रूफ ऑफ द हाउस दैट इज आल्सो स्ट्रांग, सो दैट इट कैन save you from heat, cold, rain and strong wind. It can save you from heat, rain, cold and strong wind. Even that which I have discussed with you, the house also save us from the thieves also, because inside our house there are many things which are inside our house. So the things which are inside the house, that are also safe due to the house. Is it clear? Then after that, student, when we discuss about the cleanness of the house, we have discussed many points, and today now start with, in this video, now I will start with you the point number 3rd, that is garbage must be thrown into dustbins which should be covered. Okay. ठीक है. अब आप लोग के लिए न्यू वर्ड है ये. गार्बेज क्या होता है? जो घर में मम्मी लोग सफाई करती हैं, या किचन्स में व्हेन शी इज मेकिंग कुकिंग फूड फॉर यू, तो बहुत से वेजिटेबल्स कट्स करती हैं, तो ये सब चीजों का जो कूड़ा होता है, ठीक है, तो दैट इज नोन एज गार्बेज. तो वी शुड थ्रो द गार्बेज इन अ डस्टबिन. एंड अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट डस्टबिन शुड बी कवर्ड. वो डस्टबिन कैसा होना चाहिए? कवर्ड होना चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर? सो दिस इज द अनदर पॉइंट. एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टॉयलेट्स एंड बाथरूम. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टॉयलेट्स and bathroom. So student, this is also very important point. The toilets which we are using in our house, or bathrooms in which we are taking bath or washing our clothes, so student, that these toilets and bathrooms should be neat and clean. इज इट क्लियर? ये प्लेसेस भी बिल्कुल नीट एंड क्लीन होनी चाहिए, बिकॉज ऑल द वेयर द जर्म्स आर प्रेजेंट, सो वी हैव टू टेक द प्रिकॉशंस. हमें प्रिकॉशंस लेने हैं. इज इट क्लियर? एंड इवन आई टीच यू in chapter number 8 also, whenever you are using the toilets, then what happens after using the toilet? Please put water इन द, और यू फ्लश द टॉयलेट. ठीक है, फ्लश भी लगी होती है ना, आप उससे भी उसके बटन को भी दबाओगे, देन ऑल्सो द वाटर विल कम. सो वी शुड फॉलो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ ए रूल इनसाइड द हाउस टू कीप आवर सेल्फ फिट एंड हेल्दी. टू कीप आवर सेल्फ फिट एंड हेल्दी. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज दैट वी मस्ट not allow unwanted visitors, called it pest, in our houses. We must use pesticides and disinfectants to keep them away. Now see, some new words are coming in this line for you. I am writing that words on the board, and then I will explain that word to you. If you want to write in your copy, you can write. Okay. Now see, so student, see the book, page number 55. We must not allow unwanted visitor called it pest in our houses. We must use pesticides and disinfectants. Okay, so to keep them away, so see student, what does it mean? So unwanted visitor in your house are what? You will see cockroach in your house, small mouse in your house, lizard, spiders, these types of a things, even ant, this type of a unwanted visitor you will see in your house. Okay, so you can use the pesticides. दवाइयां आती हैं जिनसे इनको मारा जा सकता है, किल किया जा सकता है. Is it clear? So what are the unwanted visitor in your house? That is cockroach हो गए, small rats हो गए, spider है, lizard है. So these are unwanted pet visitor in your houses, and by using these pesticides you can kill them. Or even there are many disinfectants. What does it means? It comes in the form of a liquid. With the spray of these things also, these visitor will not come inside your house. Is it clear? And see today we have to take all the precautions, and when I explain you, just before I tell you, your toilet and washroom should be neat and clean. So even you have observed that Dettol soap or Savlon liquid, these types of things are kept in the toilet for washing the hand, because after washing or after using the toilet you must wash your hand. So these types of a liquid you will find in your houses also, Savlon or Dettol liquid, by which you can wash your hand. Even see student, this time COVID-19, all the time what is shown in the television also, whenever you are coming from outside, even you are in the house, you before eating or after eating, please, or when you are coming from the outside, because these viruses are or germs particles are so small that we are unable to see them. So all the time it also suggested in TV channels, in ads also, that whenever you are coming from the outside or even when you are eating food inside the house, always wash your hand, always wash your hand. And even we are using sanitizer, even we are using sanitizer in the houses also. आप देख लोगे अगर न्यूज चैनल ये सब में आप देखते होगे, बाय चांस इफ इन सम एरिया it is found that that person living in that house is suffering from corona. So you have already seen in the news channel also, government, what the government is doing in that area, the virus don't spread. So what they are doing, they are doing sanitizer in that area. ठीक है, वो लोग भी लिक्विड की स्प्रे कर रहे हैं ना कि वायरस क्या है, कंट्रोल हो सके. इज इट क्लियर? सो इन द सेम मैनर in the house also, for keeping us fit and healthy, we must follow these types of things. We must follow these types of things. Now next is doors and windows have wire mesh. This is the new word for you, wire mesh. This is a new word for you, wire mesh. So see student, see, even our windows are open, because in the beginning of the chapter I told you that it is very important that the fresh air enters inside our house. Okay, in the beginning when I start teaching this chapter and I am telling you about ventilation, I am telling about you ventilation. At that time I told you that there should be plenty of windows in the house so that the fresh air and sunlight enter your house. But see, we put a wire mesh. ठीक है, वायर वाली जालियां हम लोग लगाते हैं कहाँ में, विंडोज और डोर में. And what is the reason for that? See, this is a wire mesh and there is a gap between the mesh. Air can very easily, the air can enter inside your house from this wire mesh. ठीक है, इन जालियों में से बहुत आसानी से एयर आपके घर में आ जाएगी. So what is the purpose of this wire mesh is that house flies, मक्खियां house flies हैं, they enter inside your house. Okay, and they are sitting in very dirty places, and if they sit on the food which you are eating, that food, and so what happen if you eat that contaminated food on which house flies sit on your food, then what's happen, the wings and if you see the legs of these, because these house flies sit on very dirty places, and if they sit on the fresh food, then what's happen, if you eat such type of a contaminated food, definitely you will fall ill. आप क्या हो जाओगे, बीमार हो जाओगे. कंटेमिनेटेड फूड मतलब दूषित हो जाना वो खाना, क्योंकि उन मक्खियों के पंखों में, पैरों में क्या लगे हैं, बहुत से जर्म्स हैं, बहुत से कीटाणु हैं, और when they are sitting on your food, that from their body parts, these germs enter in their food, and when you eat this type of a food, then definitely you will fall sick. So that is the reason we put, because fresh air is a very important factor. Fresh air is very important. If the air is coming, there should be enough, plenty of windows so that the fresh air enter inside the house. But for stopping these unwanted visitors, इन अनवांटेड विजिटर्स को रोकने के लिए मैश की जाली बहुत पतली होती है, तो उसमें से मक्खी नहीं आ सकती अंदर, लेकिन हवा आ सकती है. इज इट क्लियर? दैट इज द रीजन स्टूडेंट वी पुट वायर मैश in windows also and on the doors also. Is it clear? Now student, next is, which is discussed in your book, is that shelters for animals. Now here we will talk about, see, shelters for animals. Now student, first of all the question arises, we have made shelter for ourselves. Okay, so why we are making shelter for these animals? Why? What is a reason for that? See student, what happens, we human beings, we are very clever. Okay, and we learn to tame the animals. हम बहुत चालाक हैं और हमें कुछ एनिमल्स को अपने टेम मतलब वश में करना आ गया. ठीक है, हमारा उनके ऊपर कंट्रोल हो गया. ठीक है, सो वी स्टार्ट कीपिंग दोज एनिमल विद अस. जैसे आप एग्जांपल ले लो, काऊ का ले लो, बफेलो ले लो, कैमिल है, हॉर्स है, डंकी है, डॉग. सो व्हाट वी स्टार्ट डूइंग, वी स्टार्ट कीपिंग दिस एनिमल with us. So these animals are also living with us because we are getting food from them, and even we are using this animal to carry the heavy loads. ठीक है, even we are using these animals to carry the heavy loads, and even we are getting food from these animals. From where you get the milk? Because you know that milk is a very healthy diet, and you all are small kids. This is a time, this is a period of your growth and development of the body. So please student, I have already told you in chapter number food that milk is a complete diet. So for your growth and development, please drink at least 1 or 2 of glass of milk daily. At least drink 1 or 2 glass of milk daily. And so from where we are getting this milk, we are getting this milk with these animals like cow, buffaloes. Okay, so student, that is the reason human beings also make shelter for these animals, because these are what type of animal? Domestic animal. It is not given in your book, but I am just telling for their understanding. So domestic word, if you want to write in your copy for their understanding, you can write. Domestic animals. So like cow, camel, horse, donkey, goat, buffalo, extra कर दे रहा हूं, कितने लिखूं extra, buffalo extra, all are these domestic animals. So student, these animals are living with us, so we have made a shelter for these animals also. So in the shelter in which the cow and buffalo live, ठीक है, जहां cow और buffalo रहती हैं, what is the name of the shelter? The name of the shelter is shed. For cow and buffalo. So what is the name of the shelter? What is the name of the shelter of cow and buffalo? Is shed. And what is the name of the shelter of the horse? What is the name of the shelter of the horse? Stable. 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 So what is the name of the shelter of the horse? That is stable. Name of the shelter of the horse is stable. Is it clear? And what is the name of the shelter where we kept our dogs? Kennel. KENNELS. Okay, KENNELS. Kennels. Now see student, we sometime keep pet like dog hai, cats hai, rabbit, and domestic animals such as cow, buffaloes, ठीक है, in our houses. These animals also need looking after and should be kept in shelters that are specially suited. Is it clear? So cow and buffalo are kept in shed and the horse in stable. So I think you all are able to understand. Okay, these are the animals which, these are what type of animals? These animals are known as domestic animals. So it is our duty to take care of them. देखो बेटा, जो वाइल्ड एनिमल्स होते हैं, दोज एनिमल्स, वाइल्ड एनिमल तो छोड़ दो, आप लोग ने अपने स्ट्रीट्स में, जहां आप लोग रहते होंगे वहां गलियों मोहल्लों में बहुत से स्ट्रीट एनिमल देखे होंगे. ऑल द टाइम दे आर मूविंग फ्रॉम वन स्ट्रीट टू अनदर इन सर्च ऑफ फूड. वो एक जगह से दूसरी जगह चलते ही तुम्हें दिखेंगे, किस लिए? फूड के लिए. ठीक है. सो बट इफ यू kept animal in their house, and if you are not, they are totally dependent on you, they are totally depend on you. If you kept a dog or rabbit or horse or cow in your house, and if you are not giving them food, then what happens? They are not moving like other animals outside in the surrounding for the food, they are inside your house. That is the reason we say them domestic animal. That is the reason, इसलिए उनको domestic बोल रहे हैं, क्योंकि because like other animals they are not moving in the surrounding. दूसरे animals की तरह वो इधर उधर खाने के लिए नहीं घूम रहे हैं. They are totally depend upon you. That is the reason it's your duty to give food to the animals which are domestic, and even you make a shelter for them. Even you make a shelter for them. क्योंकि जो सराउंडिंग्स में जानवर होते हैं, बारिश हो रही है, वो कहीं ना कहीं पेड़ के नीचे खड़े हो जाते हैं. या कोई बिल्डिंग है वो जाएंगे बिल्डिंग के नीचे खड़े हो जाएंगे अपने को सेव करने के लिए। लेकिन आपने जो एनिमल्स पाले हैं तो इनको तो आपने रोप से बांध के रखा है ना, ठीक है। अब बहुत बारिश हो रही है और शेल्टर नहीं है तो वो एनिमल क्या करेगा, खुद से वो कुछ नहीं कर सकता। दैट एनिमल टोटली डिपेंड अपॉन यू, क्योंकि मैक्सिमम डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स को हम लोग रोप से बांध के रखते हैं एक जगह पे। वो आउटर एनिमल्स की तरह नहीं होते हैं कि दे कैन मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर एंड टेक केयर ऑफ देम सेल्फ, ठीक है, अपनी केयर वो खुद करते हैं, इसलिए ऐसा नहीं है। दीज एनिमल्स आर डोमेस्टिक, दे आर लिविंग विद यू, सो you have to take care, you have to give them proper food, and even you will provide them shelter, even you will provide shelter to them for living. Is it clear? So all this about in this chapter. So in this chapter let do brief summary of the chapter. In this chapter what we have studied, student, what is home. In this chapter we study what is home. After that we study what is kacha house and what is pakka house. Okay, pakka house is a strong house and kacha house as a name, जैसे नाम से ही पता चल रहा है कच्चा है तो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग तो होगा नहीं, बिकॉज इट इज मेड ऑफ मड, स्ट्रा. इज इट क्लियर? सो मड, स्ट्रा, लीव्स, twigs, छोटी टहनियां, wood. So these are the material which are used to make a kacha house. So in this chapter we study about kacha house and pakka house, and then we study single store buildings, multi store building जिन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं, अपार्टमेंट्स. मल्टी स्टोर बिल्डिंग्स को हम क्या बोलते हैं बेटा, अपार्टमेंट्स. एंड these types of a apartment you will found in cities area where many families are living together, where many families are living together. Okay, more than 40-50 families are living together. And even if you see in metro cities or more big cities, you will see skyscrapers, very tall tower like buildings, जैसे लगता है कोई बहुत ऊंची टावर है दूर से देखने में. तो these skyscraper buildings, these are used for office purpose also and living purpose also. These are used for office purpose also and for the living purpose also. Many families are also living there just like a apartment. And now these are very tall tower like buildings, so it means there are many floors, more than 20-50 floors in one building. So how the people move up and down in this tall tower like building which you say skyscraper, लोग अप डाउन कैसे करते हैं, थक जाएंगे ना चलते चलते बेटा, तो वो लोग क्या यूज करते हैं, दे यूज लिफ्ट. ठीक है, लिफ्ट में आप खड़े हो जाओगे, वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की मदद से चलती है. यू पुश द बटन, आपको जिस फ्लोर पे जाना है you select that number 4 5 and then enter. Okay, then with the help of a lift in very less time you can go up and down with the help of a what, lift. And after that we discuss in this chapter that house, what are the condition on which we make the house. House also depend what type of a climate is there and what are the materials available in that area in which you are living. And the most important point is how much money you can spend, how much money you can spend. So these are the some conditions on which we make a house. And after that we study different types of houses like stilt houses, okay, igloos, houses made of snow. Then we studies houseboat. Houseboat is a house on where this house move on water. Okay, then we study what are caravans, house on wheels, house on wheels. And after that, student, we study another temporary house that is known as tent. You can easily fold it and you can carry this tent with you anywhere. So in this manner, student, we study different types of houses, permanent houses also and temporary also. Is it clear? We discuss परमानेंट हाउस इज देयर, कच्चा हाउस भी बोल सकते हो और ये पक्का हाउस भी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यू आर गोइंग इन अनदर सिटी, तो क्या आप अपना घर उठा के ले जाते हो? नहीं ले जा सकते. इज इट क्लियर? सो इन दिस चैप्टर वी डिस्कस अबाउट परमानेंट हाउस आल्सो एंड temporary houses also. Okay, thank you student. I hope you all able to understand. Thank you beta. Have a nice day.